When the time comes for you to start using images in your project, it is going to be very important that you choose images that you have permission to use. Images are copyrighted items, and we need to make sure that we have permission from the creator to use their images. Today I'm going to show you how to find images that you can use using Google Image Search. I'm going to go to Google, and I'm going to click on Images. I'm going to search for my search term, which in this case is world. And then up here, under Tools, there are usage rights that you can use to filter the images that are returned by the license. And I'm going to choose Labeled for Reuse with Modification. That's one of the more liberal licenses that allows you to do many different things with it. And there you go. These are the images that are labeled for reuse. I like this one. All right.